The Magical Garden. In a bustling city, Lily discovers a hidden garden filled with flowers and magical creatures. She meets Oliver, a talking rabbit who reveals that the garden grants wishes to believers. Lily, inspired by this, wishes to heal her grandmother who is unwell. With Oliver's guidance, Lily becomes a garden steward, nurturing its flora and bonding with its inhabitants. As she tends to the garden, her grandmother experiences a miraculous recovery, spreading word of its magic. Soon, the garden becomes a beacon of hope, drawing people from across the city who, inspired by Lily's compassion, join her in nurturing its beauty, transforming it into an urban oasis. Lily's journey teaches her profound lessons about the potency of belief, empathy, and the hidden magic within seemingly ordinary places, illustrating the transformative power of kindness and connection.